Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to make an image scroll with the website in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website and I'll just find a section that I want to add the image in. So I want to add the image here in this section. So I'll just go to add elements and then click on media. And then if you want to upload your own image, you can just go to site files and click on show more. And then you can click on upload media and then upload your own image right here. But you can also have the option to choose from the Wix gallery or Shutterstock gallery. Take in mind that Shutterstock has payments if you want to use their images. And then you can also use the Unsplash gallery. For example, I want to choose this image. So I'll just click on add to page. And then there we have our image present right here on the website. So in order to do the scrolling effect, so we'll just click on the image and then find the position option, and then from here you'll just choose the position to be sticky so that it sticks with you whenever you scroll within your website. And then you have the option to make the stick into the top or bottom and top. For this one, I'll just choose the top option. And then from here, we can click on preview. And then when we scroll down, we have this like scrolling effect in our website. So you can't really see it clearly. And then I'll just change, maybe I'll change this one into another background so that we can see it more clearly. And then I'll just change the size of this section. Maybe I'll just choose 2000 pixels. And then from here we have a different sections right here. And then again, when I click on preview, when I scroll down to the image, so here's the image. When I proceed to scroll down to the bottom of the website, so the image stays with me whenever I scroll down towards the end of the website or from the top of the website. And then that's how you add the image scroll effect in Wix Studio. But in order to make things more like beautiful, again, we can just go back to edit site. And then maybe I'll adjust the look of this image right here. I'll just make it a square. And then you can go to animations and effects. And then from scroll, and then just click on add an animation. And then what we can do is we can have a fade out effect whenever we scroll down. And then we'll just use the animation type to be out so that it fades out. And then we can see this in our preview. So here's the top of the website. Here's the section with the image. And then we'll just scroll down and then it follows us whenever we scroll down to the bottom of the page. And then we see that once we reach the other section of our website, the image automatically fades out. Right, like that. Since we added the animation effect. So you can choose other animations if you want. For example, we can choose animation in the fade. We have expand, shrink, spin, blur, and so on and so forth. So it really just depends on your preference. So for example, I'll just use the blur option. So what will happen is that it makes sure that we change the animation type to out, and then when we scroll down, so the image automatically blurs whenever we reach the other section of the website. So that's basically it in how to add a scroll image effect in your Wix Studio website. And I hope you learned how to do it. And thank you for watching this video.